Thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. Today I wanted to test the new NYX Powder Puff lip colours. So yeah, let's just crack on. I am super excited to try these. They look so good and they're just a bit different. So if you want to see which ones I got and what I thought of them, keep watching. Alright, so let's crack on. I've come a little closer. Which one should we try first? I've got Moody and I've got Teenage Dreams. So I think we'll go for this one first. This one is Moody, so this is the more mauvey one of them, which I'm not going to be able to open now because I don't have my nails on. Ow. Well, I've just destroyed that packaging. Soz. Right, so, oh, it's like a squeezy tube. That's so cool. So yeah, Powder Puff Lippie. Powder lip cream. Powder cream. Well, is it a powder or is it a cream? I think it goes on as a cream, dries to a powdery finish. Let's find out, shall we? Okay, so what do you do? What are you supposed to do? Hello. What do we do with it though? Hello? Hello? You do squeeze it, look, it's coming. Right. Let's see. Oh my god, you don't need a lot at all. Look, I don't even think it's come past the bristles and it's gone on. Oh my god. Oh my god, that feels really weird. It like doesn't feel like there's anything on it at all. And that is I'm not squeezing it as I'm going. So that top lip is all from the first squeeze that came up that hasn't got past the bristles yet. That's mental. That is the most lightweight, easy to apply product ever. And I was really concerned that it was going to be difficult to apply because I've got like a really, like my top lip is quite a thin top lip. So I wondered if like the applicator was going to be too big and it was going to like overdraw them, but not at all. It looks that. Right. Okay. So let's squeeze a bit more up and see if we can like intensify this a little. Even though I don't think it needs it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's actually glorious. Like, like I can't stop doing this. It's so soft. And is it me or has this made my lips look a bit fuller? Like, I am super impressed with that colour. Why is the lighting gone weird all of a sudden? Let me move you. Let me move you. Guys, that's slightly better. Oh my god, look. I love it. And it's so, like, moisturising. My lips do not feel tight. I mean, some of the products can feel a bit tight as they're drying, but are comfortable to wear. But this, it just feels, it feels like I don't have anything on. Like I don't feel it setting. I don't feel like it's heavy on my lip at all. I really love that. I was so concerned about this applicator being like too much and being a bit messy, but I love it. And I love the finish. Okay, so it's not transfer proof. It's kind of got a look of a really pigmented lip stain, so it doesn't look like you've got a lot of product on at all. But it's so pigmented. It looks so. Okay. Okay, we're liking this so far. Right, let me go and remove this and then we'll be back and we'll try the other one, which is Teenage Dreams. Okay, so we have Teenage Dreams, which is more of the, you can see that, she's upside down, soz love, which is more of a bright, vivid pink colour, which are NYX. I did mention in the haul video when I bought these that I've got like a similar pink in the NYX Liquid Suede colour collection, sorry, so I'm excited to try this one. I really need to put my nails back on because I cannot open anything. Okie dokie, look at that. That is so pink. I love hot pink. Do you know that's actually left my lips really soft? So look, we've got the powder puff applicator there as well. So now we know that we just squeeze. So is anybody else quite as scatty as me? I mean, come on, here it comes. Here it comes. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Right. Let's see how this goes. Oh my god. Look at her lip. I can't believe how like precise it is to say it's just a powder puff. Like I thought this was going to end up all over my face, all over my lips, and I was going to have to like tidy it up with a liner, but not at all. This has got no liner at all, and it's pretty much just gone straight on. And I don't know if it's because I'm kind of pushing it up a bit or what, but I feel like it's made my top lip, which I'm usually really self-conscious about because it's really thin. I think it's actually made it look a little bit less thin, which is so thanks, NYX. I love it. I have got the smallest amount on and it is so vivid and so pigmented. These are epic. Yeah, I am totally sold on these. I don't know which is my favourite. I think for the look that I've got on today, the other one, the more moody, the more mauvey colour, was my favourite. This is going to be the perfect summer kind of holiday, bright, vivid pink colour. This is going to be ideal in the summertime. Oh, I love it. Right, so these were £8 each from Boots. Obviously you can buy them from the NYX website as well, but I personally bought these two from Boots. So I've got Moody, which is the more mauvey, berry toned colour, and then this one which is Teenage Dream, and it's the really vivid bright hot pink colour. £8 each in Boots or on the NYX.com website. I love them. They go on so soft. I think the applicator is amazing. Like I was totally freaking out thinking it was going to be a really messy way to put it on, but not at all. I actually found these easier to put on than the liquid suedes. So yeah, I mean, if you could make me a liquid suede with that applicator, that would be boss. But yeah, I really like them. I feel like I've used the minimum amount of product and it's given me a really good colour payoff. And so yeah, these are going to last for ages. The application is beautiful. It feels really soft. It feels really smooth. There wasn't any drag on my skin at all. They're not drying tight. They don't feel tight. My lips feel really supple and moisturised. When I took the first one off to then try out the second one, my lips already felt really soft and like it had just nourished them a little bit, which is just great. So yeah, I literally have no faults for these. I will definitely be going and stocking up on some other colours. They had a great shade range, so do go and check that out. But yeah, for now, for me, that was amazing. That is a definite thumbs up from Leila Land. I like that. Well done, NYX. You got a Leila Land, I like that. So if you've liked this video as well and that was helpful in any way to you, go and give it a big thumbs up for me so that we can spread Leila Land and our videos as far and as wide as we possibly can. Let's grow the Leila Land family of support and good people, and make it as big as we possibly can. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Which colour was your favourite? Have you got any of these? Have you been thinking of getting some? Which colours are you going for? Let me know down in the comments, and I will see you for my next video. Thanks very much. Bye!